Alright, so I got some new Glossier stuff. Tyler had to get something from Glossier. He loves the Zit Stick, so naturally I had to purchase a few things as well. Back. I haven't done anything to my face except for the Glossier Priming Moisturizer. I love this stuff. I love putting this on first thing. I'm going to just add some more because I feel extremely dry. I don't know why. I think it's because we had to turn our heat back up because it was freezing in Toronto. Even though it's almost the middle of May. My skin kind of just is not exactly stoked. But turning the heat back up, put a little bit more of that bad boy on. I'm not really doing like a full base today. I'm just gonna, I don't do this ever really. Just gonna use the Stretch Concealer by Glossier in color G11. I had to wait forever for this to get back in stock. I think it took about a month. And I'm just gonna kind of put it into the places where I want to be concealed, which is my under eyes, because holy moly, am I getting dark circles? I think it's because I'm a night owl. I also have a new friend there, but yeah, I like to stay up. I don't like to stay up late, I just can't fall asleep and I can't wake up. I'm a night person, it just is what it is. My name is Layla. That's a weird sound. Oh, I know what that was. Layla means the moon and the stars. So, or like nighttime. I think in Arabic. That's what I've been told, so makes sense. And then this little Gemini card. It's a sign, you know? I like to stay up late. I used to be a morning person. Like I could never sleep past like 8 or 9. But then I started serving and my boyfriend's a DJ and I started dating him and it just like became a lifestyle. And now, you know, I just sleep in a lot. This is a setting brush by Real Techniques, but it's very small and I like it for concealer. I think it just gives like a really nice kind of like brushed, very like natural look. It gets all the crevices. Again, like I've said a million times on YouTube, you know, skin is skin, it's gonna show through. I really don't care unless I'm like going to a wedding or something and I want my skin to be flawless, but otherwise day to day, especially I'm like at home, I really don't care. This is like a filming face. What do I want to do today? I got the brow gel, the Boy Brow in clear, because I have like pretty decent eyebrows to start with. I generally just have to fill in the front to kind of even them out a little. And I like to use the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim pencil. It's so easy to work with. It's such a good pencil. A little bit expensive for the dollar store. A little bit expensive for the drugstore, but I do really, really like it. It's very easy to work with and it just does the job very quickly. And I like this spoolie. It's not too like rough. I find a lot of little spoolies that come with pens are extremely tough and then it just like scrapes my eyebrow. Then I feel like the dead skin, because everybody has dead skin with hair, just like comes flying off. Especially if you have dry freaking skin. Whew. Oh, this palette smells like chocolate. So this is how I fill my eyebrows. I do the front and then I add a little, I kind of like line it up, you know? And then I add a little bit of product right at the bottom of the brow and then I brush it in so that it's kind of natural looking. It's very fast. And then I just add where I need to. Oh, wow, I caught that in the air. That was friggin' wild. Holy crap. I wish you could have seen what that looked like. Add where I need and then I kind of fill in the end here because like the top of my brow is a little sparse all the time too. Just want to define it. Fun fact, I don't pluck my eyebrows. I almost never pluck them. Just the middle when I need to. I actually should probably do that now, but I forget about it. I just don't pluck them. Like I just let them run
wild.
The lighting's really bad, but I'm trying to use like natural light and my ring light. This house, I'm telling you, just doesn't have good lighting. I'm hoping when we redo our bedroom that I'll be able to film my makeup in there because we get good light in our bedroom window. Glossier is like very creamy products, so I'm gonna stick with a cream bronzer. I'm trying to use up both of these because cream products go bad way faster than anything else. So I like the Chanel a lot right now because I'm not tanned, like I don't have any sun on my face. The Milk makeup I find a little bit darker, so I like that when I have a little bit more sun. So I'm gonna use the Chanel. I just used the wrong brush. Perfect. This is a small e.l.f. stippling brush. It's like the travel size one. I like it a lot. And of course I have a little pimple. I don't even know what it is. It's kind of sore, so yeah, it's definitely a pimple. Right in the bronzer area, so cute. Can't really conceal it, so we're gonna live with that. I love the Chanel. Look at that. Oh, it's so good. And it has like a powdery finish. It feels just like smooth on the skin. It doesn't feel wet or sticky. But I find some cream products can feel that way, but instantly the Chanel just like dries down. Apparently they changed the formula, so I can't speak to what's out there right now. I got this a while ago. I'm not going to tell you when because you're going to judge me. But it's fine. It's not like gross or anything. But they changed the formula, so I can't tell you what the other one feels like. I don't know if it has that same sort of powdery finish. But if it doesn't, that's gonna suck because I really like this formula. Bring it down my neck. I'll do like a little on the side. Cute. I'm not gonna put cream blush. I can't talk today. I'm not gonna put cream bronzer onto my lids, but normally every day, like my everyday look, I put whatever bronzer I'm using on my cheeks onto my eyelids just for some like life and some definition. But I'm gonna use Afternoon Delight from ColourPop. This is my favorite bronzer for my eye color. I don't know what it is, but it makes that like hazily eye, like I have a dark brown eye, but in the sun it's quite light and hazily. It almost has like a yellowiness to it. You know? So I had to check and make sure I'm not lying. But in the sun they're like, they change color. So whatever's in this bronzer, whatever the color is, it's slightly different than everything else I have. Even though most bronzers are kind of the same color that I buy. I don't know. I just think it makes my eyes pop a little bit more than other bronzers, and I like it. So take that into the crease. I'm going to take it under the eyelash line. I feel so weird if I don't do this. Like if I wear eyeshadow and I don't connect it to the bottom, I just feel like things aren't making any sense. And then whatever's left on the brush, I like rub it over my eyelid. And this normally takes me like 5 seconds. I just like very frantically rub things around. Trying to define the crease and look a little bit more together. Okay, do those look even? Pretty much. And I rub out the edges just to like smooth it out so it doesn't look too done. I got samples with my Glossier order because I wanted to try a different cloud paint, because generally I have Beam and Puff, but I really wanted to try Dawn and Dusk. And I don't know what color I want to do today. Maybe Dawn. Dawn is like a corally pink, and then Dusk is like a nice mauvey, dusty rose. Maybe Dawn, because it's like kind of fun. I feel like there would definitely be enough product in here for more than like 3 looks, because you really don't need a lot of this. I'm gonna take a clean finger. Ah! Yeah, that's clowny. Okay, go, go, go. Cute though. I do like this color. It's hard to wear like an orangey color sometimes because you just sometimes doesn't look that great. But like that is scary. This is pretty. So nice like corally summery color. Don't forget the nose. Okay, now that I've done my bronzer and my eyeshadow, I'm going to I'm going to set my eyebrows with the clear brow gel. I'm really excited I got this because as much as I love Boy Brow in brown, it is hella intense sometimes. A lot of product comes out. I've mentioned this before. I think that Glossier could fix the tube and make it a little bit more narrow, like more suction, so that more like product comes off instead of all this product coming out. If your eyebrows aren't this big, then that much product on the wand is just not helpful. And then it's a waste. You end up just like scrubbing it off and it's gonna get hard on the side of the bottle. So yeah, that's my rant. But I love a clear brow gel. I just give that like wet, fresh brow look. What's next for my face? Mascara. Sometimes I just squish my lashes and don't put any mascara on at all. But today I'm gonna do mascara because we're filming. These eyelashes never squish properly. They're always like this. Don't understand it. Okay, if you are new here, Glossier Lash Lick is my lifeline? Life bread? What's that saying? My everyday mascara. It is so good. It is not a lash filling, like, this is not like a thickening mascara. It's not going to make your lashes look full. It's just a lengthening, lifting mascara. But I do find to get the most lift, it is best to curl your lashes, like squish them, you know? And don't forget to change the direction of your wand. It is skinnier at the tip for a reason. That's to get those little teensy tiny hairs that are in the very front and at the corner. I do like to take the mascara and kind of like wiggle it up like this because it makes my eyes look more open and less almond shaped. Mascara is done. I should have put on a little balm.com, but I forgot. I currently have the mango flavor. I want to get the coconut. I love coconut. Coconut anything is my jam. Just gonna wipe off some of that concealer. And I finally did it and bought one of the lippies. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. The Lidstar. That was the whole point. Adoy. Okay, well, we can add it on. It's fine. I got Lidstar in Cub. Ooh, they're so cute. I haven't heard amazing things, but I was like, whatever. Oh yeah, that's really tight. Okay, they don't have a weird plasticky smell, which is nice, which is what I felt like they would smell like. This is the color Cub. So it's like a rosy gold, which is what I like, and I've been doing like a very pink look lately. Ooh, yeah, this is cute. Do like this kind of doe foot applicator because you can like define where you want it to go. That's cute. I'm into that, and then I'm gonna use my finger to kind of soften out the edge there. Okay, let's see how this wears. I'm into it. I don't know. I feel like people said they crease. Maybe if you're not into sparkles, I don't know. We'll have to see, but personally, I am a fan. I think it's pretty pigmented. I don't want it to be too pigmented, and I have this Stila, like liquid glitter, if I want that anyway. But I like this. It's like a fun everyday glitter. It's very soft and subtle. Very glossy, of course. Yes! I like it. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I finally bought one of the lipsticks. I'm really excited about it. I wore it already, so this isn't a first impression. But I do like the formula. It's really matte and smooth. It smells like rose. Has a bit of an old lady smell, but that's cool. This is like, why is it that we continue to talk while we do our lips? All of us on YouTube, every single person. Ay, ay, ay. It's the like peachy color cake. I'm a fan. And it lasts. This is kind of like my lips, but like deeper, not as pink, but very much still kind of in the family of my lip color. I really like this lip. I'm really, really happy I finally bought it. I was on such a back burner about it, I think just because I have so many flipping lip products and it's like, why buy another one? But I have a feeling this will be very much an everyday, like, add to my purse and pop it on when I just feel like I need something on my lips, you know? But I like this. It's like a washed out, again, very Glossier, like very sheer, but still enough pigment to give you some life, but still make you feel you and still make you feel, you know, it makes you feel good, but you feel like you're just enhancing your own features. You're not overdoing it and looking like a different person, which is totally cool if you like to do that. Fine by me, but I am like a very natural type of gal. I don't like a full face, not my skin, not my face type of makeup. I'm more into this look. Pimples are popping out and that's okay. Ooh!
Feeling myself.
I really like these lid thingies. They feel like they've dried down, so I can't imagine why it would crease so much. Alright y'all, that is the full face of Glossier, except for bronzer. I have a feeling bronzer is coming out. Oh yeah, this is why I did the order. Well, Tyler needed his stuff and then I was like, ooh, hand cream just came out just in time. All I'm waiting for next is for Glossier's sunscreen to come to Canada because for some reason we can't have that. Oh, she's so pretty. I've heard reviews of like people being pissed off for the price and the size of it, but I think the size is great for every day. Like I was looking for something that, ooh, I love this smell. So fresh and so clean. This is the perfect size to like throw in my bag, and that's kind of what I was looking for. I don't carry really large bags, so I don't need like a gigantic cream. I'm sure the price and the size is annoying. I don't know what the like ratio is. This is only 30 milliliters and it was 22, so yeah, that kind of sucks. It's pretty shitty. It should be like 50 milliliters maybe, but you know. Oh, I love this bottle. How fun! And it's so like aesthetically pleasing. Okay, I love it, whatever, I don't care. I don't care that I spent so much money on it. Let's put it on our hands. What am I doing here? Okay, it has a similar feeling to the priming moisturizer, but a little thicker. Kind of like cooling, like it feels fresh on your skin. That is a smell I can get behind. It's like kind of manly, but fresh. But it has that man smell. What's in here? Does it say?
I'll have to read it.
Bran extract, coconut, sunflower, rosemary. Rosemary! Oh, it's rosemary! Yum! And echinacea. Okay, that makes so much sense. That's kind of what it smells like. It's exactly what it smells like. Like rosemary and echinacea. Ooh, like a fresh little garden. Okay, I'm convinced. Sorry if I'm gonna make you all spend your money on this tiny little thing, but dang it, I like it. Okay, that's it. That's the face. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the notification bell for videos. I mean, oh god, don't miss out when we upload. We, as in me, there is no we, it is I. I'm having a day. I'm always having a day. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't stop smelling this. And happy quarantining day, I think 60. Something like that for me at least. Anyway, talk to you in the next one. Bye!